Now we shall look into one problem based on the transformer, single phase transformer, which I have taught you in the previous class. Okay, so now please look at this example. A 100 kVA single phase transformer has an iron loss of 600 watt and full load copper loss of 1500 watt. Find the efficiency of the transformer at full load 0.8 power factor, which is lagging, and also half load unity power factor. So this is the problem statement. This is a very simple example. Now one thing you should observe here is that the transformer efficiency at any given load is equals to x kVA into cos theta 2 divided by x kVA into cos theta 2 plus iron loss fixed and x square PCU full load. This is the formula. Please try to understand this. I have not written it properly. I could not write it on my screen, but this is the formula: x kVA cos theta 2 divided by x kVA cos theta 2 plus Pi plus x square into PCU full load. So in this problem, what is given is kVA rating is given, that is 100, right? Iron losses are given, that is 600 watts. Full load copper loss is given, that is 1500 watt. So now when you have that, you have been asked to find out the efficiency at full load 0.8 power factor, is it not? Full load means what? X is equals to 1. This you should always remember properly. Full load means X is equals to 1. 50% of the load or half load means X is equals to 0.5. 10% overload means 1.1 X. Like that you have to take. So full load 0.8 power factor, that is cos theta 2 is equals to 0.8. This is given. So now the problem appears to be very simple. Only thing you have to keep in mind that here this is in kVA, here it is in watts. So therefore either you convert this kVA into VA if you want to use the watts as it is, otherwise since it is K here, you please convert this watt into kilowatt. Any one thing you have to do. And it is normally a better practice to convert kVA into VA. That should be multiplied by 1000 into whatever the value of kVA you have given. That will give you the value in VA, volt amperes. So this is one point to be noted. Okay. Accordingly, the problem is solved here. You can see here. Okay. Since the case is of full load, x is equals to 0.1, eta is equals to 1 x kVA. So you can see here 100 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1000 into cos theta 2, that is 0.8. In the denominator also you have 1 into 100 into 10 to the power of 3 into 0.8, that is x kVA cos theta 2. Plus iron losses are given to be 600 watts, which is given in the problem. Copper losses are 1 square, that is x square into full load copper loss, that is 1500. So if you simplify and if you multiply it by 100, you will get the efficiency as 97.44. I expect you to do the calculation of this. Don't simply watch this video and ignore. Please do the calculations. These kind of problems might appear in your examination also. This is one part. The second part happens to be the case when x is equals to 0.5. You can see here x is equals to 0.5. Then the power factor is given as unity. So in the second case, you have x is equals to, x is equals to 0.5 and cos theta 2 is equals to 1. So now using that you are supposed to make the substitutions here. X kVA will remain same. X is equals to 0.5. kVA is 100 into 10 to the power of 3 into cos theta 2 is it should be, it is not correct here. Please see here, it should be 1. this 0.8 is not correct. It should be 1, because in the second case you have been given the power factor as unity. So therefore in the second case cos theta 2 is equals to 1. They have by mistakenly they have taken it as 0.8. Please uh, remove this and accordingly make the substitution by taking the power factor is equals to 0.8. In the second case also, had the power factor been given as 0.8, then this would have been appropriate. Okay, but now power factor is 1, so 0.8 here should be replaced by 1. In the denominator also, this one is not correct, so this is one book which has got the maximum number of mistakes. So therefore if you take such books, then whatever the mistakes they have done, we will be very clearly able to understand. So here in the denominator also you have 0.5, it is not 1, so therefore I try to write it separately. Okay, here the efficiency at 50% load is 0.5 x kVA is 100 into 10 to the power of 3 into cos theta is 1. Then in the denominator also you have 0.5 into 100 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1. Iron loss is I think 600, that is fixed 600, correct? Iron loss is fixed, that doesn't change. Copper loss is now 0.5 square into full load copper loss, that is 1500. Please substitute these values. Take a calculator, substitute these values and find out the answer. Sometimes you may have the same answer, their substitutions may be different but their answers may be right, but please make sure that you get the proper answer for whatever the substitution I have made here, whatever the substitution I have made in this particular problem. Okay, so here you have to calculate the value of the efficiency. Now again I repeat, as long as the calculation of the efficiency at any load is concerned, eta x, you have to make use of this formula, x kVA cos theta 2 divided by x kVA cos theta 2 plus iron loss plus x square into full load copper loss, PCU full load. This is the only formula which you have to use. X you have to take accordingly. Whenever you take kVA, please make sure that it is multiplied by 1000 so that you can keep PI and PCU full load in watts only. This is one example. I will come up with one more example soon after this. Okay.